Maybe you've had this experience where the progress bar is firing on things like auto bind or pauses or just things that you don't want. You want to remove it. How do you do it? In this video, you'll see two ways where you can remove this: one globally across your entire app, or two selectively across individual pages. Let's start with the one for globally. So here under Settings, General, navigate to this progress color, grab it and change the opacity from 100 down to 0. That will remove the progress bar because it's a 0 opacity. It's invisible. Great. Now, how do we do this when we are looking at to do it on just specific pages? Maybe there's some pages where you have you want this to apply some places, but you have some specific workflows where you are not wanting this to show up. So you add an HTML element somewhere where it's not going to interfere with the design, maybe 1 by 1 for pixels. That's kind of a nice way to do it. And then I'm going to paste in here this. Let's take a look at it because I can't put it into the description. But YouTube will, it'll break. So if you look at the syntax here, the opening closing style tags, hashtag NP progress, and then this exact syntax as shown here. If you enter that in onto the screen, and so even if we're back here and this is on 100, let's go check that out. So in this case, now it's the CSS that's blocking the progress bar from showing here as I click this button. So those are the two ways that you can hide the progress bar in Bubble. And if you like crafting experiences like this, I'm going to post the animation video here at the end of this that you can check out. It's another great one if you're looking to, again, craft awesome experiences for your users. And if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more tips about Bubble, and thank you so much for watching.